Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best small radiator is probably one of the most versatile and efficient heating solutions for smaller spaces, offering targeted warmth without the bulk of larger units, making it an ideal choice for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or any area where space is at a premium and you need a quick and effective way to boost the temperature. Number 5. 6-inch Slim 650 CFM Radiator Cooling Fan. This fan features an incredibly slim design, making it perfect for installation in small and tight areas. It provides more space for your engine modifications. You can install it as either a push or pull type fan, offering flexible fitment options. It's designed as an OE replacement, ensuring a straightforward installation. With a 6-inch blade diameter, this electric fan delivers a powerful 650 CFM airflow. Its 10 straight blades are designed for maximum cooling efficiency. This universal fan is a great fit for most hot rods and classic engines. It's compatible with a wide range of Chevy, Ford, and other classic V8 engines. Keep your entire engine bay running cool with this efficient electric fan. It effectively cools the radiator, AC system, intercooler, oil system, and transmission. What we like? This fan boasts an incredibly slim design, perfect for tight engine bays. Its high 650 CFM airflow ensures efficient cooling. If you're working on a hot rod or classic car with limited space and need a reliable cooling solution, this is the one to consider. What people say? This is a great little heater. It heats up my small bathroom quickly and efficiently. I love how compact this radiator is. It fits perfectly in my tiny apartment and doesn't take up much space. The adjustable thermostat is a fantastic feature. I can set the temperature exactly where I want it, and it maintains it perfectly. Number 4. G+6 Row and 6 Universal Oil Cooler. Introducing the G+6 Row and 6 Radiator, designed for optimal performance. This advanced cooling solution is built to last and enhance your vehicle's capabilities. This universal oil cooler kit is compatible with all models. Its versatile design ensures it fits seamlessly into various applications. Featuring a 6 and inlet outlet size and a core dimension of 9.88 x 7.50 x 0.75, it's engineered for efficient cooling. This ensures it fits perfectly where you need it. Keep your engine running smoothly by maintaining optimal oil temperatures. This helps prevent damage and ensures all parts function correctly. It's perfect for cooling engine oil, transmissions, and rear differentials. This versatile cooler provides essential protection for critical components. Built using advanced manufacturing processes, this product meets high standards for quality and performance. It's designed to meet your specific needs. The package includes one oil cooler and a mounting kit. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you. What we like? This unit features a robust 6-row design for superior oil cooling. With universal and 6 fittings, it's adaptable to various applications. If you're looking to significantly improve lubrication and protect your engine, transmission, or differential from overheating, especially in high-performance or heavy-duty scenarios, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The radiator is compact and fits perfectly in small spaces. It heats up quickly and provides consistent warmth. The design is sleek and modern, blending well with home decor. Number 3. DNA Motoring Aluminum Radiator for Honda Civic Integra. This radiator is designed to be compatible with specific Honda and Acura models from the 90s. It's a direct fit for manual transmission vehicles. Ensure a perfect match for your 1992 to 2000 Honda Civic, 1993 to 1997 Honda Del Sol, or 1994 to 2001 Acura Integra with manual transmission. Crafted from high-strength T6061 aluminum, this cooling component is built for long-lasting durability and optimal performance. Featuring a multi-layer louvered fin structure, it significantly increases heat dissipation for superior cooling efficiency. This lightweight unit is a direct replacement for your original radiator, ensuring easy installation onto OEM assemblies. Professional installation is recommended. What we like? Constructed with a durable T6061 aluminum dual-core, this radiator is designed for enhanced heat dissipation. It's a direct OEM replacement for specific Honda models. If you own a compatible Honda Civic or Acura Integra and are seeking an efficient, high-quality radiator upgrade to maintain optimal engine temperatures, this is a great option. What people say. The Radiator is compact and fits perfectly in small spaces. It heats up quickly and provides consistent warmth. The design is sleek and modern, blending well with home decor. Number 2. Clyxgs 240mm Water Cooling Radiator. Experience exceptional cooling with our advanced water cooling radiator. Its efficient design ensures your system stays at optimal temperatures. Crafted from pure aluminum fins, this radiator offers excellent heat dissipation. The black oxidation paint further enhances its thermal efficiency. Equipped with a high-speed fan, it operates on a safe 12V voltage. This ensures reliable performance and adherence to high security standards. This cooling solution is perfect for a variety of applications. It's ideal for computer CPUs, industrial drives, and even laser head cooling. Measuring 275 by 120 by 58 mm, it provides powerful cooling in a compact form factor. Enjoy efficient heat exchange for your PC or water-cool system. What we like. This radiator utilizes pure aluminum fins with a black oxidation coating for increased thermal efficiency. It's designed for PC water cooling systems. If you're building a high-performance computer and need a reliable way to dissipate heat from your CPU or other components, this unit offers effective cooling in a compact size. What people say. The radiator is compact and fits perfectly in small spaces, providing efficient heating without taking up much room. Its sleek design complements any room decor, and the adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control, ensuring consistent warmth. The quiet operation is a significant advantage, as it doesn't produce any distracting noise, making it ideal for bedrooms or offices. Number 1. Auto Dynasty Aluminum Radiator Fan Shroud Assembly. Ensure your vehicle stays cool with our high-performance radiator fan shroud assembly. It's designed for optimal cooling efficiency, preventing engine overheating. This assembly is specifically designed to be compatible with various Honda Civic, Del Sol, and Acura Integra models from the 90s. It's a direct replacement for your old or damaged unit. Experience superior heat transfer and stable engine temperatures. This upgrade helps prevent premature engine failure and keeps your engine running smoothly. Crafted from high-quality T6061 aluminum, this radiator fan shroud assembly is built for durability and maximum cooling efficiency. Its lightweight design also contributes to its performance. The unit comes pre-assembled with an aluminum fan shroud and dual low-profile fans, making installation straightforward. Some wiring to your vehicle is required. Featuring a 2-row racing design, this radiator has an overall size of 14.50 by 16.50 by 1.75 inches and a core size of 14.25 by 13.75 by 1.50 inches. What we like. This assembly comes pre-assembled with a fan shroud and dual low-profile fans for maximum cooling efficiency. It's a direct replacement for specific Honda and Acura models. If you have a compatible manual transmission Honda Civic or Acura Integra and want an integrated, high-performance cooling solution that's easy to install, this is the ideal upgrade. What people say. The radiator is compact and fits perfectly in small spaces. It heats up quickly and provides consistent warmth. The design is sleek and modern, blending well with home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.